This is a historic moment, ladies and gentlemen, because I am placing now one of the first AI appointment setters in the world into the Instagram account of Adam here, who has over 400,000 followers on Instagram. And this AI setter is gonna talk to his leads 24/7 and book sales calls into his calendar on autopilot. And in this video, I'm going to uncover literally the whole system that I'm building out for Adam, the whole funnel, how everything is connected to each other. And at the end of the video, we're also going to do a live demonstration of how the AI setter actually works. And if you're wondering, why do I have a black eye? I will also give you an answer and reveal what happened somewhere randomly in the middle of the video. Now, as always, if you find no value in this video or you're not entertained at least a tiny bit, don't subscribe. So we have Adam here, who has gathered up over 400K on Instagram. And before this, he was selling a low ticket fitness app to his followers, and he was doing really well with that financially. But now he's launching a high ticket fitness coaching offer, and his goal is to book sales calls for this offer from his Instagram DMs on autopilot. That's what we are trying to do. And the strategy for that is pretty much posting content, talking to people in the DMs, booking sales calls from these potential clients, and printing a bunch of money from that. And the critical part of this whole process is gonna be booking sales calls from the DMs, which is called setting, appointment setting. Now, there are a few ways we can do this. There are a few solutions. Solution number one can be Adam messaging people himself from his Instagram account, booking sales calls, or hiring a setter who does this for him. And now we have this new solution, the AI setter, which we're gonna build for Adam, and you will see how that works. But if Adam decided to do this all by himself, the cool thing about that is that it is free and there's no risk because he's sending the messages himself. But it's very, very time consuming to be in the inbox all the time. He has hundreds of messages, which is even humanly impossible to keep up with. He has only 8 hours a day, and he will absolutely hate his life DMing people all day. Plus, when he's doing a workout or goes for a walk or whatever, all those leads are waiting for a response, and slow response times equals less calls. Now, potentially Adam could also hire an appointment setter who would do all of this for him, done for you, which is fantastic. But interviewing people, hiring setters, training them, managing them is really time consuming and can be a headache because there's a lot of poor talent out there, a lot of unqualified, wacky appointment setters. They can only maximum do 8 hours per day of work. You need to pay them a salary or a commission. Sometimes they send stupid messages to people, and then now your brand is on the line, the reputation of your brand is on the line, and the churn is insane. Since appointment setting is such a boring job, robotic job, setters tend to leave after 4 to 6 months, and you can do the whole hiring, training, management again. Now, instead of this, we have a much cooler solution, and I'm gonna reveal that in a second. But first, let me show you how everything is connected here. The whole idea for converting Adam's followers into sales calls is the following. Adam will post a lot of content, mainly reels and stories, and people who comment a keyword under one of his content, like this one, send me the word HSPU. A lot of people are commenting the word. Now, also a lot of people will DM a specific keyword from the content that Adam is posting. And what we set up is a trigger for these comment keywords and DM keywords into Manychat. So the way this Manychat automation works is that anytime somebody comments a specific keyword, Manychat is gonna send them these 3 messages. Hi, it's Mike, I'm Adam's assistant. Adam is getting a lot of DMs lately, so I help him respond. I can connect you to him depending on how this conversation goes. By the way, where are you currently based? So every time somebody DMs him a keyword or comments another keyword on one of his posts, this Manychat automation is gonna trigger, and these 3 messages are gonna be sent every time automatically to start a conversation. And important thing here, an automation is not AI. So there's nothing AI in this so far. It's a simple keyword plus message automation. Nothing fancy so far. So pretty much to this last message, where are you from? Where are you based? The lead is gonna reply, e.g., I'm from France. Then the AI setter, aka Mike, is gonna talk to this person in the DMs, and the setter is gonna book a sales call for Adam one-on-one. So the reason we are using Mike here instead of the AI bot pretending to be Adam is because if the AI bot pretends to be Adam and people think they are talking to Adam, and if the AI bot sends a stupid message, then they will think Adam sent it, and that's bad for Adam's brand. So instead, we are going to go with the AI pretending to be Mike, Adam's assistant, which lowers the reputation risk. I mean, the sad part about that is that people might not take the conversation as seriously because they are not talking to Adam, and maybe less people are going to book in. If the AI bot pretended to be Adam, probably people would book more calls and would take the conversation more seriously because they are talking to Adam, who has 400,000 followers on Instagram, but we decided to go with this one. So that's how the conversation is going to get started. DM keyword, comment keyword, Manychat is going to send these 3 messages, start the conversation by asking where people are from, and then the conversation is going to continue. So after this, the following stuff is going to happen. There's a bunch of complicated settings here, but basically the AI setter is going to talk to these people once they start responding. After the Manychat automation, Go High Level is going to activate, and it's going to put an AI on tag on the contact. So once this previous automation triggered, it's going to put this AI on tag on the contact, and the AI setter only responds to people who have this AI tag on. Now, the way Go High Level works is that you can connect Go High Level with your Instagram. You can integrate them together. So this way, Go High Level can see the messages that you are receiving in your inbox, and it can send messages. If you're familiar with Manychat, Go High Level connects with your Instagram inbox the same exact way. So every time you get a message, Go High Level can see that. And if this person has the AI on tag, then the AI setter is going to talk to them. Basically, how the AI setter works is the following. There are objectives of this AI setter and there are custom instructions. Now let's start with objectives first, and we're going to go through the specific objectives for Adam's setting process here. Basically, the AI will have to complete all of these objectives until it can book the person in for a sales call. So the conversation starts with asking the person where they are from. They are going to reply with something like, I'm from France. And then the first question of the AI is going to be asking, cool, nice that you are from France. What made you reach out? Person's going to answer. And then the next objective of the AI will be to ask about their goals. Cool, do you want to lose weight, add muscle, or learn gymnastics bodyweight exercises? The answer, then we're going to uncover the pain. What have you tried in the past? What's your biggest obstacle? And then we're going to ask, do you want to jump on a one-on-one consulting call with Adam? And if they say yes, we're going to send them a Calendly link. Now, why this is so great is because if, let's say, the bot asks, what are your goals? And the person says, I don't know, then it will try again. And it will only move on to the next objective if this objective has been checked off. All right, so it's going to start with this, and will only send the Calendly link at the end if all the previous objectives are completed. If somebody gives a bullshit answer, it's going to try again. That's one. The other thing are custom instructions. So the AI knows that this conversation is happening because this lead reached out to Adam on Instagram. And the AI also knows that Adam is a high-ticket online fitness coach. His method is mainly with bodyweight and gymnastics exercises. And the AI also knows that Adam offers meal plan, workout plan, feedback, accountability, and many more things in his coaching program. So if people ask, the AI knows. And also, the AI responds in a way that Adam wanted: professional tone, simple and direct language, never share the price of the coaching program, only on a sales call, right? So the AI knows all of this stuff and will try to complete the objectives with the people. So that's how the AI setter works. Now, whenever the AI setter responds to the person, it uses large language models, ChatGPT, but honestly, Claude 3.5 which is from a company called Anthropic, is performing even better. Every time you get a message on Instagram DMs and it goes from Go High Level to the AI Setter, the AI Setter sends a prompt to ChatGPT, which contains all the previous messages in this conversation, the current objective that we are trying to achieve, and all the custom instructions that we just went through before. So every time there is a new message, ChatGPT calculates the response based on this prompt, sends it back to the AI Setter, the AI Setter sends it back to Go High Level, and Go High Level sends the message from your Instagram inbox. That's how the whole thing is connected together. And now, of course, the big reveal, why do I have this big black eye on my face? Well, basically, I went back to MMA training after a long time, and the coach said, all right, guys, this is the last session before the summer break. So what we're gonna do is 30 rounds of sparring, 2-minute rounds. So I was basically sparring with 100-kilo guys, skinhead guys, and a bunch of different skilled MMA freaks, and got hit a few times. And that's basically what happened. So now that we went through all of this, we can finally reveal what is happening with the AI Setter here. The AI Setter is also done for you. It does the work. It responds to messages 24/7. It responds instantly, and it's cheaper than hiring a setter. Of course, there is some costs with AI Setter as well for the software, etc. Now, it's not perfect, okay? It has its limitations. It might not be able to respond exactly like a human yet. It might have bugs sometimes. It doesn't respond. And truth be told, the AI Setter can also send stupid messages which might hurt your brand on the long run. And now, let's test the AI Setter. All right, so I'm on my girlfriend's Instagram now, and we're gonna live test the AI demo. So the first thing I'm gonna do is write this fitness demo keyword. This is gonna trigger a demo Manychat Automations. I'm gonna show you in a sec. The next step is going to be these 3 messages. Hey, it's Mike, Adam is getting a lot of DMs, etc. So if I click this button, that's the automation that should run now. And at the same time, it will turn on the AI response as well. So, hey Mike, hey, I'm Mike, Adam's assistant. Adam is getting a lot of responses, blah, 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 blah. Where are you currently based? Okay, I'm gonna say that I'm from France, and boom. And now the AI Setter is gonna take over because the AI on tag has been added to the contact, and is gonna start responding. Bonjour, it says. It's wonderful to hear that you're from France. What aspect of fitness are you most interested in exploring? Strength, flexibility, or perhaps overall health improvement? And now the AI is gonna start completing these objectives. I'm gonna answer, I wanna lose my belly fat. Losing belly fat is a common goal. Have you attempted any specific diets? So now it's asking me, what have I tried in the past? I have tried keto, but hated my life doing it. By the way, if you're wondering what this Instagram theme is, this is the famous transgender theme that I have with my girlfriend, so highly recommend. I understand keto wasn't enjoyable. Besides the diet, what challenges have you faced in trying to lose belly fat? By the way, the AI does typos on purpose to look more human. For example, finding time to exercise, staying motivated, blah, 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 blah. So now it's asking me, what was my biggest obstacle? Honestly, it was laziness. I appreciate your honesty about that. Many people struggle with that. But Adam's coaching program addresses motivation head on. Would you like to set up a free consultation with Adam? So now it's asking me if I want a free consultation call, and I'm gonna say, sure, why not? I'm not gonna give shit to the AI Setter now. I'm just gonna keep it simple so you guys can see that it can actually book calls, and then you can try it out for yourself. I will tell you how. Great, I think you will find the consultation call really helpful. Here's where you can book with Adam. Now, by the way, this is my own Calendly call just for testing here. Looking forward to helping you. And now I can go on the Calendly and book a call for myself. All of this was automated. It was pretty personalized. It was following the objectives here and etc. So guys, this is pretty much how the AI appointment setter works. If you want to try it for yourself, I will leave a keyword that you can DM me on Instagram at @martonfour. And if you DM me this keyword, the AI is gonna turn on. It will walk you through a similar Manychat plus Go High Level automation. So you can try out the AI setter for yourself, see how it works. And as always, if you guys found no value in this video and you don't like me as a person, then don't subscribe and don't watch any of my other videos. See you guys in the next one.